When you think of a truck built for serious, nasty jobs, this 1942 Dodge Power Wagon is exactly what comes to mind, only this one's been reborn with just the right dose of refinement. Handled by Winslow Bent and the crew at Legacy Classic Trucks, this Power Wagon started as a bare chassis from a World War II-era WC-63 troop transport and turned into a six-wheel drive diesel-powered masterpiece that blends vintage grit with modern drivability. Under the hood is a 3.9-liter Cummins four-cylinder turbo diesel. All mechanical, no computer fuss. It's what they call a one-wire diesel, where the only wire shuts it off. Torque is the name of the game here, not horsepower, and that's perfect for a truck that weighs in at 8,000 pounds and still climbs like a mountain goat. It's running a 5-speed, fully synchronized transmission, way more civilized than the old 3-speeds, and shifts through a dual-master hydro-boost brake system with power steering. So it drives like a beast but doesn't fight you doing it. The axles are still geared with original 5.83 differential locks, meaning low-end torque for crawling up just about anything. On the outside, it's all Power Wagon presence with military roots. 37-inch Toyo tires, electric Warn winch, World War II bomber-style gauges, and a custom fuel tank tucked neatly in the bed. The interior sticks to a vintage vibe but is crisp, functional, and built to last. There are even charging posts built in for jump-starting other rigs, because this truck's still very much a workhorse. Legacy Built designed this to be driven, not parked. They use US-made parts wherever possible, and the whole build philosophy is overbuilt but maintainable. It's not just restored, it's reborn to do what it was made for, getting dirty and getting the job done.